Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a herbal tea. I'll be making use of oregano. Stay tuned and find out all the benefits of this tea. To make this tea, I'll be using one teaspoon of oregano dried leaf. You can choose to use the fresh oregano. I'm going to add it. I'll be adding the oregano into a cup. This tea, you can use fresh lemon juice or ginger. I already have a fresh squeezed lemon juice. So I'm going to pour hot water into the cup. I will cover the cup and allow the tea to infuse. Oregano is a herb and it has antibacterial, antiseptic and antifungal properties. This tea will help to naturally increase your immunity and is good for preventing respiratory disease. It will help to reduce your blood sugar and it is also effective for premature aging. Oregano tea will help to relax muscle pain, fatigue, and it also helps to promote digestion and facilitate the absorption of fat in the small intestine. So when I'm done, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can decide to add honey or ginger. Then I will stir to mix properly. Oregano contains antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal properties. It will help to increase your immunity and it is good for preventing respiratory disease. It will help to reduce blood sugar and effective for slowing down aging. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.